Hey everybody, this is Peyton Sweet with Sweet's Fabrication. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a metal rose for this upcoming Valentine's Day. In this kit, it includes the rose petals, the stem, the vine, and the leaves. We're going to be using some edge cups for today's project. So first things first, you're going to grind down both sides of those petals. You want to make sure they're really clean so at the very end with the heat process, it brings out that color in the steel. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to tack on these petals one by one on that stem. I like to leave a 1/4 inch or an eighth to a 1/4 inch gap in between each petal so you have room to bend them. Go ahead and turn it both sides, get 2 sides tacked. After you have all 3 of those petals tacked together, what you're going to do is you're going to bend down the bottom row so it gives you some room up top to bend them out completely. Next, you're going to pull up the top leaves, get them bent into shape. I like to go the 2 across from each other, bend those up and pull them in together, and then pull in the outsides. And it'll be the same process all the way down. When you're doing this, there's 2 types of bends that I like to do. There's a tight bend and a loose bend. A tight bend would be that bend where you put both sets of pliers close in to where the heads of them touch. A loose bend is when they're separated and you have a gap in between the pliers. Just keep working your way down all the way to the bottom till you get them fully bent up. What I like to do too at the very end, sometimes you'll have some that hang out a little bit more than others. What you can do is you can grab the stem and hit it against a table to get them fully rounded out and nice looking. After that, after you've got them all bent up, you've got everything connected, you can go ahead, you can do these as singles, or you can do it at the very end when everything's connected. I like to do it in singles. It gets a little bit better color all the way around without burning up the other leaves. What you'll do is, I prefer MAP gas for this. You can use propane, you can use an oxyacetylene torch. Propane is pretty slow. MAP gas seems to be the perfect for me. And then oxyacetylene is really quick. You don't have much room to mess up with oxyacetylene. But what I do with this, I just rotate it real slow till you see that golden brownish color. As soon as you see that, that's when you let off. You don't want to hold it too long because then the whole rose will go gray. What I'm doing here, we've already wrapped the stems with the filler rod. We're tacking the bottoms of the roses so they stay together. What you'll do is you'll stack all 3 of these in a staggered position and you'll tack the bottoms so they stay in one piece. After that, you can go to the tops of the roses and put a little tack on the back side. I like to keep all my tacks on the back so there's a show side, it's a prettier side. So what you'll do is you'll tack above at the leaves to hold it in and secure the whole thing so it's one solid piece. This is what I'm doing right here. At the very top, I've got one of those leaves on the lower rose touching the stem, and all I'm doing is connecting those 2 together. Be careful, try to not hit that filler rod that's on that stem, because if you do hit those, they will unwind. product looks like. After this, I like to spray a really thick layer of clear coat on it just to make it shine.